Okay, today I'm going to show you how to graph this function. This function is f of x equals minus 1/4 x squared. Now the first thing we need to understand is what this graph is going to look like. This graph is off of the x squared, so it's going to make a u. Now our u is going to be upside down. Why is it upside down? Well, ours is going to be upside down because of the minus here. Also, there is no number on the end, so it is not moving it up or down or left or right. So let's go ahead and try to graph this. I click the Click to Enlarge button. We know it needs to be a u, so we're going to get our squared tool. Where are we going to start at? Well, it's not moving up or down, nor left or right, so we're going to start at 0, 0. So we go 0, 0. Now, what about your vertical stretch or shrink? Well, that's going to be the 1/4 that's in front here. So your 1/4 is your vertical stretch or shrink. We also know that it has to be reflected across the x-axis. That makes it go upside down and appear how it needs to be. So we've got a vertical shift or shrink of 1/4, no vertical shift, no horizontal shift, no horizontal stretch or shrink. We did reflected across the x-axis. So there's our picture. Looks correct. We're going to save that, and then we can check our answer. And we did that question correctly.